Dragon Link combo, part 1 with Lord M2A, take 2.
Yeah,
Take it away.
there's like the deck can like use many one card combos like Sever, the Chaos Farm, plus any light or dark monster, and maybe we can like use rocket cards like Quick Launch, but we can start like maybe the best normal summon here, the Black Metal
You gotta
Dragon.
speak up, bruh.
Okay, this is better. This
Awesome,
is
yep.
better.
Yep.
Okay, Link to strike a dragon. Like try to chain block, so Ogre and this cards if one wants to use them, or Ash, add Red Eyes Black Metal Dragon, and add Boot. Yeah, summon the Red Eyes Darkness.
Banish, summon.
Yeah, Bash the Striker, Reborn the Black Metal Dragon. Go go into Romulus. Romulus effect. Add Divine Lance. Then equip the Divine Lance. Use this effect to equip a Dragonity Tuner. Equip Phalanx. Phalanx effect. It's to summon itself. Go for Linkross. Linkross summon 2 tokens. Try to summon it away from the Linkross and the Dragonity zones. Because of the Guard Dragon combos, you need like 3 zones. Then go into Martial Metal Marsher. You use this effect to bring back Phalanx. You can go for Herald here, but that depends on what you have in your hand. But we're just going to like for the basic combo. Go for Needle, Needle Fiber or Halki Fabrics. Summons a Red Rose. And now we synchro Herald. Since Red Rose uses the synchro material, we use its effect. Summon another Rose Dragon from deck. We summon white. And now we like go for LP here. And the second Striker Dragon. And the reason we like summon LP here, like using this, because it can like play their own Ghost Ogre. If it's get destroyed by Ogre, sometimes you can't like resolve the effect. But if it gets destroyed here, you can still resolve it. So we use LP effect to summon not skilled, yeah, Brotar. We use Brotar effect, target like itself maybe, or any other field search dark dragons, and discard any random card. Add Tracer. We now go for we go for the protector whelp since it's a dragon and it requires just two monsters, so we can use LP with it or to free zones. And now we go for Pisty summon like any dragon right here. Can bring maybe the red eyes. Then link Pisty and the protector into seal.
I think this is where you should go for
Yeah, it's a union carrier.
yeah.
We like link here, so maybe I can have some space for link monster. I have two zones right now. Activate boot. Boot first effect. And now summon tracer from hand. Destroy the boot. Destroy boot. Summon. Yeah, summon a recharger. Link. Or synchro into savage.
Synchro Shoken.
Equip needle or Halki Fibrox. And now we use Union Carrier to equip the Savage.
With a different attribute, right? Wait, with
It's
the
the same
same
attribute, but the same
attribute.
type. It's the same type. Like it's not like restricted to one. This is why I like this card is like so good. So this, well equipped, Dragon Buster Destruction Sword, like prevents the opponent from summoning from the extra deck.
Same type or
Or the same.
attribute. Okay, same attribute. All right.
So you could like equip it with the Shadow Monsters or any the Summon Dark or anything. It's like better to usually equip other monsters than Savage, since like if it get destroyed, so we can have that other monster. But since we use like the basic combo, we like use here.
This
So
this
this
is
is like
this
the
is the
best.
end board.
Yeah, it was only one card.
So how many negates we have here? We have three negates and then extra deck
Two,
lock.
maybe it's like two at the same time. Like in the same turn, we have two negates, extra deck lock, and this like can bounce one card in the field or one face-up card in the field to the hand. The Heretic Seal.
Okay. So we
And
have a
some
bounce,
yeah,
a lock, and two negates, and then three cards still in your hand with
yeah.
off of.
And the only so did you see how many cards we have left in the extra deck? There's two cards.
Holy crap. All right. That's
They
it?
are like the OTK, yeah. This
All
is like
right.
the best end board with like one card. Or maybe two cards since we discarded one random or one just that black metal.
We'll be going on to part two. Be right back.